Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with your Android device. You have to start by opening Settings, go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Now click on Pair New Device and open the case. Then press and hold button at the bottom until you can see that that LED is start flashing. Here we go. And now click on your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!